Hey guys, welcome to Mentelligence. As usual, you got Beardy and Kay here together with our pal Larry. Recently, I watched Matthew Hussey's 3 texts to make him chase you, and I couldn't help but wonder if I was texting women the wrong way.
Oh, I saw that video too, and I couldn't agree more with the questions those women in the video were asking. One being, why don't men try anymore, Beardy?
Some of them do, but that's why people watch these videos.
True.
So today, fellas, we're going to be talking about how to get a girl to like you and make her chase you with your text messages. You see, there's an art to texting a woman. You don't want to come off as uninteresting or needy. And you definitely don't want to make a girl you like go the other way because of how you're texting her. These texting rules will make sure you're on top of your game, and they'll teach you how to text a girl you like so you can eventually ask her out on a date. And as a bonus, we're giving away a tip on how not to text women and make yourself seem so clingy. Are you ready? Number 7, the compliment treatment. Hey, Kay, have I ever told you how much I love your singing voice? You're always the best singer when we go to karaoke.
Aw, Beardy. Really?
Well, yeah, but what I just did, guys, is also one of the texting rules on how to get a girl to like you.
Oh, I thought you were really telling me that you like my voice.
I am. I gave you a compliment, and I meant it. Fellas, girls love compliments, but you have to be creative when you dish them out.
Yes, don't be generic and say something like, you looked really hot yesterday, or you're so funny, or I'm sure you're really smart. There's nothing wrong with these compliments, but they suggest you didn't put much thought into your compliment and make you sound insincere.
Instead of being generic, be more specific and personal. Make her feel unique and recognize the things that you like about her. Just like the compliment I gave Kay earlier. I put much thought into it, and I said something that I truly meant.
Aw, Beardy, you really think I'm a good singer?
Yes, Kay, you are. Be original and flirty, but make sure you don't sound creepy. Give her a compliment because you truly mean it, not just because you're trying to score with her. Want to find out how to make her chase you more and more? Check out this video we made talking about just that.
Number 6, spell it out. All right, fellas, here's a story. I once went to a party and met some interesting guys. Admittedly, I got pretty buzzed, and I might have given my number to a couple of them. I vaguely remember what they looked like, but I'm pretty sure they were both rather cute.
Jeez, Kay, playing the field, eh?
Hey, don't judge me. That wasn't my finest moment, but I know you've done the same thing. Dating is a numbers game. Anyway, going back to the story. The morning after, I woke up to 2 messages on my phone. One read, "It was cool to meet you." The other read, "Hi, this is John. We met last night at Sam's party. I hope you're having a great morning." Who do you think I replied to? Of course I replied to John. And then I deleted the first message because I don't want anything to do with... see, I don't even remember his name. That's because he didn't leave a good impression on me. Listen up, fellas. It's time you learned how to text a girl you like. First, you introduce yourself, then include some details to make her remember who you are, all while using correct spelling and grammar. Shorthand and poor spelling is how middle schoolers text, or people with the reading level of a middle schooler. Oh, look who's taking notes. For more notes like this, check out this amazing video about how to text a girl you like. Hey, 2.4 million people already did.
Number 5, it's not about you. I know, you want her to see how witty, intelligent, or generous you are. But if all you do is talk and talk and talk about how great you are, she's gonna get tired of you very quickly.
That's right. Confidence is good, but arrogance, not so much. If you want to know how to attract 99.9% of girls, sell yourself less.
Hey, Kay, you want to play a game?
Beardy, we're kind of in the middle of something here.
Trust me, it's part of the point I'm trying to make.
Okay, if you say so.
Okay, let's play 2 truths and a lie. I'll give you 3 facts about me, and you have to figure out which one's a lie.
All right.
Okay, I'm the top salesman here at Mentelligence. I frequently donate to charity, and I'm the best cook in my family. Which one's the lie?
Beardy, those are all lies. You've never sold a product in your life. You're too broke to donate anything but clothes to the thrift store, and you're a terrible cook.
Oof. That hurts. But good catch nonetheless. Did you see what I did there?
Well, for starters, you straight up lied.
Precisely, and it's never a good thing, fellas. But I went above and beyond with those lies, too.
Yeah, you're right. If a guy I was texting used those exact lines and he was actually telling the truth about 2 of them, I'd definitely be turned off by his arrogance.
Right? So guys, stop talking about yourself so much and get to know her instead. The best text to send a girl are questions about her interests and hobbies. She'll ask what she wants to know about you, too.
Still wondering how to attract 99.9% of girls? This video has over 4,000 likes already.
Number 4, have a purpose. Many guys seem to always know the secret how to get girls to like you through a text conversation. And really, the secret's a no-brainer. The thing is, when it comes to texting a girl you like, you have to bring your A game. In other words, you have to make the conversation interesting and entertaining.
I can totally relate to that. There was this guy that I really liked once. He was really cute, like Zac Efron cute, and I was so psyched when he asked for my number. But imagine my surprise when he sent me a first text saying, "Hey, what's up?" My response, of course, nothing much. I mean, how do you respond to that? How do you continue a conversation like that? How did that guy expect me to reply to him? Should I have responded with a super long message detailing what I'm currently doing?
If you did it to mess with him, hell yeah. 1,000 words would have been funny, but I assume the date never took place after that text.
Oh, Beardy, you know me too well. I wouldn't go out with a guy who couldn't carry a conversation, and I quickly found out he didn't know how.
Even if he was Zac Efron cute?
Yes, Beardy, even if he was Zac Efron cute.
Gotcha. That's a good point, too. Even good looks won't save you from being a boring dud. You'll need to do better than that to make a girl crazy for you. Find common ground. We've got plenty of great questions to ask a girl over text@mantelligence.com to get you started. And always remember this, your text should always have a purpose. If you have nothing to talk about, then don't text her. Speaking of having a purpose, where did my phone go? I need to send a text to Andrea.
Oh, you met a girl. Hey, isn't that Larry holding your phone?
Oh, crap, he knows my password. Get back here, you dumb monkey.
Want to know more tricks to make a girl crazy for you? You'll find more here in this video. Hey guys, if you regularly watch Mantelligence, keep watching because we've got 3 more texting rules coming right up. Plus, at the end of this video, we're going to show you the most important texting rule that lots of guys make. So stay tuned. Okay, let's get back to it. Number 3, say my name.
Oh, sorry. Giving a girl a pet name is cute and all, but it sends out the wrong signal to a girl. It either shows you're moving way too fast or you forgot her name, both of which you don't want her thinking.
Ugh, I hate pet names. A word of advice, fellas. Don't text me, "Hey, baby," unless we're actually dating.
Yeah, or babe, or hun, or sweetie, or doll, or literally anything other than her name. Leave the pet names for when you've developed a good relationship and have even gone out on an actual date or 3. Hey, speaking of pet names, you got one for me, Kay?
Yes, it's Beardy. You know, because, you have a beard.
Oh, boy. Number 2, keep busy. Before you start thinking about how to text a girl you like, you should pay attention of how long you should wait in between texts before you send another message. This one definitely is one of the texting rules you should pay a lot of attention to. See, girls don't want a clingy guy, and you definitely don't want to look like you've got nothing else to do all day but wait for her response. Women of great caliber have lots of things going on in their lives, and because of this, they tend to be quite busy and may even take a long time to reply to your texts. At the same time, you'll want to appear that you're someone who's got his life in order, so get busy with other things and try not to text her back immediately, unless it seems like she's looking to start a conversation.
Don't forget to text her back. If there's anything we ladies hate, it's a guy that ghosts us. So, as a bonus tip, please do us a favor and just be honest if you're not into us. Speaking of favors, do yourself one by watching our video on texting rules. Check it out, you'll find it helpful. Number 1, send dudes. Women want to know what your interests are. We want to see that you're not just a bum waiting for us to respond to your messages.
So how do you prove you're not a bum? Include her in your activities, even when she's not there. You like to cook? Send her a picture of what you're cooking for dinner, maybe even a silly selfie testing your creation.
Preferably, it's lasagna.
Why lasagna?
I don't know, it was the first thing that came to my mind. Gosh, I'm hungry.
Are you into outdoor activities? Send a selfie of you kayaking or rock climbing.
Oh, I like sporty guys. I would definitely want to see what sorts of things a guy I like is into. It shows me that he has hobbies, and every guy needs hobbies.
That's right. And by sending her these pictures, fellas, you're letting her know that you want to include her in those activities in the future. And that's how to flirt properly. Oh, and guys, please, no nude pics. And as we promised, here's a really important texting rule you need to know. It's really no big secret, but surprisingly, there are plenty of guys who fail to follow it. When you're texting a girl you like, you need to know when to back off.
That's right. Too many texts in too short a time frame is way too clingy. This usually happens when you let your emotions control you.
Yep, we've all been there.
Oh yeah, we have. And it's the worst.
But sadly, it happens sometimes, and we end up scaring off someone we really like. So if you feel like a girl's pulling away, get yourself busy as quickly as possible and give her some space. Hit the gym. Write everything you want to say to her on a piece of paper. Just do anything but send her text after text after text after text.
That's right. If you get the feeling that the girl you're texting isn't into you, you gotta back off. Give it some time. If she reaches out to you a day or two later, great. If not, it's time to move on. Do you have any other texting rules that you follow when it comes to texting someone you like? Share them with us in the comments section. For more tricks to make her chase you, check out this video. Thanks for watching.